OptiMax is the latest evolution in water jet cutting technology, designed for precision, speed, and intelligent automation. Built to empower manufacturers, OptiMax delivers high-quality parts with minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Drawing on OMAX's decades of innovation, OptiMax sets a new benchmark in abrasive water jet machining. Every system is engineered for accuracy and reliability, enabling confident cutting of everything from aerospace alloys to delicate composites. Each OptiMax water jet undergoes rigorous factory testing to ensure exceptional precision and repeatability. Linear axis accuracy meets or exceeds industry standards, while advanced motion control systems deliver smooth, consistent cuts even on challenging materials. The EnduraMax 5 Series direct drive pump is built for efficiency and longevity. It offers extended maintenance intervals of up to 1,000 hours, reducing operating costs and environmental impact. Intelligent monitoring provides real-time insights into pump health and performance, ensuring optimal uptime. OptiMax systems support multi-axis cutting through integrated accessories, enabling precise bevels, countersinks, and complex 3D shapes. The software-controlled cutting head provides automatic taper compensation and high positional accuracy, eliminating secondary finishing. Rotary and terrain following options expand capabilities for intricate and large-scale projects. The IntelliMax software suite sets OptiMax apart. It delivers powerful multi-axis control and precision machining across virtually any material. Streamlined workflow tools simplify operations, while real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance alerts keeps production running smoothly. IntelliMax empowers OMAX water jets with intuitive controls, advanced cutting models, and precision multi-axis capabilities, delivering faster, cleaner cuts, reduced downtime, and unmatched efficiency across diverse materials and complex geometries. Mobile integration extends these capabilities to smartphones and tablets, allowing operators to monitor system health remotely for greater flexibility. This software ecosystem drives productivity, reduces downtime, and gives operators unmatched control and insight. OptiMax offers a range of accessories to enhance productivity, including an underbridge lighting kit, a machine status indicator light, an abrasive load sensor, and the time-saving air sweep. Discover what OptiMax can do for your operation. Learn more at omax.com.